أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Quraish. Okay, Alhamdulillah. I'm gonna recite this and then inshallah let's look into Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. Alhamdulillah. So this is Surah Al-Quraish. First inshallah I'm gonna tell the Tajweed rulings of these ayahs. After that inshallah let's recite this for many times. Okay, and number 1, لإيلاف قريش لإيلافي. Don't read it like lilafi. That is wrong. Okay, it's not lilafi. It is li ilafi. Li ilafi. Can you see there is hamza here? Its kasra is over here. So it's not lilafi. Li ilafi. Li ilafi. Hamza for 2 count. This lam is also for 2 haraka stretching. لإيلاف قريش. Oh, not a khu. Off here. And a ra is with the fatha. Pronounce it heavily like a ra. Okay. And there is ya sakin, which is ya lean here, not ya maddiya. Why it is ya lean? Because there is a fatha before it. And while stopping, due to waqf, we will apply the ruling of mad al-leen, which is mad due to temporary sukoon, arid sukoon. Okay, we are doing waqf. The last letter which has kasratan is getting converted into sakina, the temporary sukoon, and then there is yaleen before it. Therefore, we can stretch this yaleen for 2 haraka, 4 haraka, or 6 haraka. Okay, that will be mad al-leen now. How to pronounce it? لإيلاف قريش 2 haraka. لإيلاف قريش 4 haraka. In same way you can stretch it for 6 count, but we are going to keep it 4 haraka throughout. Okay, inshallah. But if you want to continue, it will be just 1 count, just like Quraishin ilafihim Quraishin Quraishin. Not even 2 count. It should not even be 2 haraka like Quraishin, because 2 haraka is only during mad al-leen. Fine. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف إيلافهم إيلا 2 count. Okay, إيلافهم ha with the blunt sound and mim sakin with no extra gunna, just izhar ash-shafawi. إيلافهم رحلة. Re is light, ha very sharp. Rihlata. Connect this ta to this sheen here. This connecting hamza, hamzatul wasl and lam ash-shamsiyya is not read. Rihlata shita'i. Okay, here we will apply the ruling of mad al-wajib muttasil, mad which is due to hamza, which is stretched for 4 count. Okay, rihlat ash-shita'i. Another mistakes which are seen students in this word is they pronounce it like rehla, re. Okay, see if you're doing so. It is not a rehla, it is rihla. Okay, rihlat ash-shita'i. والصيف صا heavily. Okay, emphasize it as it has tajdeed due to that lam shamsiya. Pronounce it correctly. والصيف. I kind of sound in this yalin. Okay, don't pronounce it like Quraish والصيف, that is wrong. Quraish والصيف. Okay, I kind of sound, and we are keeping it 4 haraka stretching. Okay, إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت فليعبدوا push that epiglottis and pronounce ya. Don't read it like yabudu. This is completely wrong. Okay, this ayn is compulsory here. Falyabudu, ya'budu, 2 haraka. This dal, falyabudu rabba, ra heavy, not a rabba, rabba. Hada, ha 2 haraka with a blunt sound, dal with no buzzing sound, but this alif madhya is cancelled while connecting due to this connecting hamza. Okay, iltaqa sakina and ruling, just read it hadhal, not hadhal. This alif madhya is cancelled. Hadhal bayt. Okay, again mad al-leen, stretching it for 4 harakat. Ta with sakin will be pronounced with hams. Okay, فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. الذي Hamza al-wasl with the fatha, next letter is lam. Alladhi, not a z, no buzzing sound. Alladhi, mad due to hamza, 4 haraka. As this is mad al-jaiz munfasil, you can keep it 2 like alladhi at'amahum. But mad due to hamza, the count, the duration is just 4 count. Okay, as it is jaiz, you can keep it 2 haraka. Alladhi أطعمهم. Apple. See, hamza is light. Don't recite it like o. That is wrong. And letter ta should be pronounced with the qalqala, heavily and without hums. Okay, if you do hums, then it will convert to letter ta. Ta is letter of hums, especially when it is in sakin. It will be like at. But here it should not be like at. Okay, even if you do qalqala with the hums, then qalqala will not sound correctly. It should be heavier. That is main thing. Don't read it like at. That means you're doing qalqala on the letter ta. You should be pronouncing it like apple, but not hamza. Auto is wrong. Apple. Okay. أطعمهم min. Here mim sakin followed by mim idgham shafawi. We will do 2 haraka gunna. أطعمهم min ju'. Min ikhfa, 2 haraka gunna where you're hiding it. Okay, like not min, it should be min ikhfa, min ju'. While stopping here, we will apply the ruling of madul arid lisukun, keeping it for 4 haraka stretch. Okay, this stretching will be for 4 count. We are stopping due to this sign here. If you don't want to stop, then you can see there is lam alif where you will not stop. But this 5, the number 5 is considered to be ayat. just like an ending of an ayah. So if you want to stop here, then it will be with madul arid lisukun. This ain will be with sakina. Pronounce that ain correctly. But if you don't want to stop, then you will do idgham. من جوع وعين should be clear, okay? جوع وآمنهم stretch it وآمنهم ميم ساكن followed by ميم again 2 count غنة وآمنهم من Noon sakin followed by kha. Due to huruf al-halqi, we will not do any gunna here, just izhar. Min khawf. Mad al-leen again, but there is waw leen here. In all the other places it was ya leen, right? Here waw leen. Don't recite it like khawf. Khawf is wrong. Khawf. Kha should be with fatha first, then the sound will go down. Khawf. Khawf. Okay, Alhamdulillah. I'm going to recite this ayah. الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. So we have completed learning Surah Al-Quraish, right? Alhamdulillah. So if you have any doubts with the Tajweed rulings of these ayahs, you can ask me. I'm going to turn your mics on. G. Yes. Any doubts with the Tajweed rulings of these ayahs?
Sure, Master.
No doubts? Okay.
No doubts.
Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. Practice well and recite tomorrow, okay? So let's end the meeting. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته وإياكم.
الحمد لله.